Hello again to my lovely world. So I was about to create a Japanese doll makeup look, but Eid is here and I thought why not create this beautiful Eid makeup look, which is inspired by the Eid moon itself. So without any further talking, let's quickly jump into the tutorial. I've already moisturized my skin and done my brows, and now I'll take this Inside 3-in-1 primer. Just this much amount is gonna be enough, and quickly dotting it on the tip of my nose, chin area and side of my mouth, gently massaging it onto my skin. This is very important whether you have dry skin or oily skin. And now I will take this Ruby's Organic Skin Tint Foundation, this much quantity, and this is how I will dot it on my face. This foundation is very beautiful, you know. You can see the glow it provides. Like, it's ethereal, and I always prefer a beauty blender over a brush because it gives a very natural skin-like finish. This looks good, and on the next step I will take this Ruby's Organics concealer, just dotting it on these parts of my face, taking this concealer brush and blending it very carefully. You should blend your concealer quickly because it is very dry in nature and it will start drying very fast, especially in this season when you turn on the fan and it just dries too quickly. So I try to blend it as quickly as possible. The finish, it looks quite good. Next I will take this Inside Duo Stick Contour Cum Highlighter Stick. I will apply highlighter on the nose bridge and the tip of the nose, on the chin and the contour. I will, you know, create these lines as you can see. Also under my jaw, taking this Just Herbs blush. It is a lip and cheek tint actually. It's in the shade Peachy Coral, and also applying it on my chin as you can see. This brush is called Real Techniques Expert Phrase Brush. I've already mentioned about this brush a lot of times in my previous videos, and this is how I like to blend it. Don't be scared with the redness, like it looks very unnatural, I know, but once we set everything with the setting powder, it will look so cool. You will see. Blending the forehead part. This looks good, and now I will take this flat eyeshadow brush. This is actually a flat brush, so it is beautiful to blend the contour of the nose with. I really like to blend my nose contour with this because it just, you know, it's very precise and it helps to blend the contour very beautifully. And once the contour part is blended, I will flip the side and blend the highlight part like this, you know, and yeah, it's done. I will take the beauty blender and running it all over my face once again to, you know, blend everything together once again. Cleaning up the concealer because it starts to crease a lot. This is Lakme Absolute Matte Powder. Take this big powder brush and set it. Now you will see the extreme redness of the blush will go away because that was natural. When you put the blush for the first time, it shows up a lot more, but when you set it with the powder, it looks natural. This is a setting brush, again by Real Techniques. It's called Real Techniques Setting Brush, and I will set the nose area and my eye area concealer part with this brush. It works very well because these areas are precise. That's why I am using this brush. Next I will take this Nykaa eyeshadow palette. It's called Sundowner Stunner. With this eyeshadow blending brush, I will take this peach shade. You can also use a beige shade for the transition color, and just take it all over your lid like this. A very subtle color, you will see. Also doing the same on my other eye. Now I'll take this mauve shade from this Hilary Rhoda palette, taking this Real Techniques crease defining brush, defining my outer corner with this brush. You can see that I'm packing that mauve shade on the outer corner of this eye. On the right eye, I'm doing the same thing, packing it all over, blending it outwards. Again, taking this mauve shade and blending it on my lower lash line. You can see a subtle difference. It had no depth, and I did the same for the other eye as well. It looks good. Okay, by the way, you can also use a plum shade or soft brown shade for this. Next, I will take this shimmer shade. It's kind of a champagne gold shade. Putting it on the center of my eye. You can alternatively use soft silver gold duochrome as well. This was a cool tone champagne. It gives a beautiful finish. Also applying it on the lower lash line, the inner corner of the lower lash line. As you can see, I'm not taking it outwards or at the center, only concentrating on the lower lash. Next, I will take this pink shimmery shade from this Sundowner Stunner palette, and I'm applying it on the very inner corner of my eyes only. You can also use a pearl white or iridescent gold shade. And now I'll take this glitter from my Lakme eyeshadow palette. It's very beautiful. You can also use a wet metallic eyeshadow for this step. I'm placing it on the very center of my eye, as you can see. I will take this plum eyeliner. Already done it off camera, and I'll curl my lashes with this curler. I am really scared of this step, and it's done. For the other eye, first time I got it, but the second time I didn't. Anyways, putting the mascara. It's just Herbs mascara, and you can see that this mascara is way too good. I mean, you can see the length it provides. It's so beautiful, so long, and it gives a lot of volume as well. Also, I curled my lashes, so it's also another plus point. Applying some on my lower lashes as well, and this is done. You can see how long my lashes are. Like, it's really beautiful. Next, this contour. It's a sugar bronzer actually. It's called bronzer, but it's a cool tone shade. I'm using it as my powder contour. Next, from this Hilary Rhoda palette, I will take this peach shade and place it on the center of my face with this blush brush. You can see that I am doing a round motion. This gives a very youthful look. Same on this other cheek as well. So it's also done. Next step, I am going to take this highlighter by Just Herbs, using that same setting brush by Real Techniques, and placing it on the cheekbones. Also a very good highlighter. You can see the shine it provides on the bridge of my nose and also on the tip. Also on the chin a bit. This is the shade called Tea Rose by Just Herbs. It's also a beautiful shade, you can see. It's from the mini lipstick collection by Just Herbs. Yes, you guys, this is the final look. So tell me in the comments what you would like to see next. I'm already working on a Japanese doll makeup tutorial, as I mentioned at the start of the video. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy your Eid. Happy Eid and bye.